Hello and welcome to our group project for Sudoku, Project 4. Our group is Group 6, and our team members are Cotton, Zachary, Michael, and VJ. Alright, so if we start running this, we will see the splash page. Now, looking at the rules of the road, we're just going to choose a difficulty for the moment. A Sudoku puzzle is a puzzle consisting of a 9x9 grid, which is partially filled with single-digit numbers. And as you can see, these are all single-digit numbers. It's partially filled. And if you look at all the other difficulties, you'll see the exact same thing. All right. So we're just going to test this on easy, but everything that counts for easy counts for all the other difficulties. We've tested it behind the scenes. All right, so in each of the 9 rows of the board, you'll see that in each row there are distinct numbers. No numbers are repeated, and you'll find the exact same thing if you look along the columns as well. No repeated numbers, all distinct. And in each of these little 3x3 squares, you'll see that they also contain a set of unique numbers. So in this 3x3, this 3x3, this 3x3, there are no repetitions. All right, going back to the UI requirements. If you count up, this is the easy mode. If you count up all the empty cells, you should have about 30 cells. And I've counted it beforehand, and I've done it many times. And there should be about 30 empty cells. If you go to medium and you count it up, it should be about 40 empty cells. If you do difficult, you'll have 50. And in our bonus mode, you'll have 70 empty cells. And once you choose a difficulty, the program generates the Sudoku board as it should and makes the appropriate number of cells empty and displays everything partially. All right, so let's go back to easy. If you click on a cell, you'll see that it gets selected by this red rectangle. We can press a number and we'll sketch in what we want to put in. We haven't confirmed a number yet, but if you press enter, it'll confirm it and 4 has been placed. Now if you select another cell, we'll select it, sketch in a number. Let's say I don't want to put 5, I want to put 8. It changes, and then I can sketch it in, and it sketches it in. And you can do that with all these cells. If you press the reset button, it will clear out the cells that I've modified, and it will keep everything else. So this is the same board, it's just cleared out all of the user modified cells. And I've taken my hand off the mouse. If you use the arrow keys, you can do the exact same thing. So using the arrow key, I'm going to sketch in 5, I'm going to enter it, I'm going to move over a cell, let's say over here. I'm going to sketch in 6. Oh, I don't want to put in 6. I want to put in 7. I can sketch in 7, and I can enter it. All right. And we're just going to do another test of the buttons down here. So I'm going to reset, and that will clear all the user entered information. It will take the board back to its initial state. If I press the restart button, it takes me back to the game start screen. And let's say I go into here. And if I press exit, it will close the entire window. The other requirement that we have is that if we have a full board, we can get a win screen. The final requirement is that if we have a full board, we will either get a win or a lose screen that shows up. And you will see that upon entering the last number, we get a lose screen. All right, so we get an output. We get a win or a lose.